Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dominique. For those who don't know me, y'all already know how we're doing the videos. Like, we just jump right into it. We don't do too much talking. So with that being said, I want to thank Jurllyshe. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And some of these outfits I already wore. Stop playing, because baby, they did your girl good. We finna jump into it. I'm gonna have the name, the link, website, all that in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And y'all already know how we do. We just jumping into the video. I had this outfit on for my 31st birthday, and y'all, this dress made me feel so pretty. I feel real elegant. I feel real, you know, like I'm finna meet my husband on my 31st birthday. I am wearing a size large for those who trying to compare their body type to mine. I'm 5 feet, so if you're short, you still can wear this dress with sandals, with heels, however you want to dress it up, dress it down. It is a cute cocktail dress. You know, this give me brunch vibes. This give me date night vibes. This give me take a girl nigga vibes. Stop playing. We're snatching them out of summer. Period. With these strings, please have somebody help you, because I was struggling. I am wearing a size large. I feel like if I had boobs, it would really bust the dress out. You feel me? So it has the turtleneck effect at the top. It's like little squares on it. Get into this, the strings I was telling y'all about, and this is how the back looks. So yeah, get into it. When you're looking at the material of it, I'm like, this gonna be too hot. But the fabric is so breathable. I mean, like, air can get through it. You're not gonna be hot. But overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, for this next outfit, baby, when I say see-through, this is so much see-through, so I'm not going too much turn around, because you know, I'm packing back there. Baby, this material is so soft on this dress. I don't even know what to call this material, but it is very much giving body. Like, stop playing. The different colors in it, like, it's just giving. I don't know what you would call this part right here, the cut on it, what you would call it. Yeah, but every dress I have in the size large. But can you see that? Like, it's hugging you in all the right places. And if you got the confidence to wear this out, baby, I will put on some heels, and when I say go stunt, go stunt. Like, go wherever your ex finna be at. This dress, like, you can just shut it down, period. And it do have a little string right here. Let's see what happens when you, so when you pull the string, it come up. It give you more body. You can show a little leg. Stop playing. Do you see that? This is the club cocktail. I came here to snatch souls only. Like, you wear this, you on a mission. Stop playing. This is what this giving. The colors on it is very much giving me sunset vibes. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, so for this next dress, I like the dress. I like the material. It's very much soft. Again, this is a size large. I should have went up a size, because baby, it's squeezing everything. It's squeezing in the right spots though, but my stomach ain't that flat, so you know. But this giving pretty much graffiti. This giving pretty much, is it called color block? I don't think it's color block. I think it's pretty much graffiti. But I like this. Like I said, it's hugging you in all the right spots. I don't know. I feel like if I was smaller or skinnier or light skinned, this compliments like a light skinned person. Not saying dark skins can't wear it, but I just feel like it'll be better on a light skinned person with all the colors going on. But okay, let me clear it up, because I know people like to run with stuff. And again, I'm not colorist. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, but different colors look right on different skin tones. I don't care what people say. Like, that's like polka dots look right on skinny people. It's just my opinion. Be true to yourself. It flare out at the bottom. It's giving cocktail if you dress it up. Very, like, it's hugging in all the right spots though. Like, for real. If you just got that body with a flat stomach and you bodying, baby, this is the dress for you. Stop playing. But it is very much soft. This is t-shirt material too. When I say t-shirt material, I'm talking about high quality t-shirt, like a polo shirt. How them feel, this how this feel. This is like this would be a good date night outfit, because you don't want to show too much, but you want the nigga to know you got a body too. Stop playing. Okay, y'all, for this outfit, I did wear it on my birthday, and I ain't gonna lie, filming this video and putting these pants on, I got real emotional, because as you can see, if you're looking at this knee and looking at this knee, you can tell, like, it's really swelling up me trying to film this video. But I ain't no quitter. Be sure to get this video, y'all, to 10K views. Get this video to 1,000 likes, because your girl is injured and still getting the bag, still bringing y'all videos. So stop playing with me. I did wear this on my birthday, so I'm gonna insert the video to show y'all how I paired it up. Yeah, get into it. Get your shoes, cameraman. Get the shoes. You pump fool with me. Get the shoes, cameraman. You see it? Stop playing. Stop playing. Yeah, get the big cameraman. Some cherry, Liz. Yeah. Yeah.
Bam.
Stop playing.
Bam. Yay.
To me, it's the see no, speak no evil. That's what it's giving with the eyes closed on the heart. And then a black heart right here. So it's giving me Gemini because you got the red and the black, good side, bad side. So that's why I wore it on my birthday, because it's very much Gemini. But it's just your white tee with a red and a black heart right here. And then the leggings, it got the red heart right here with the white X's on the eyes. This is a very chill lounge set, like if you finna go to the movies, because I like to be very comfortable at the movies. If you finna go to the movies, if you got company coming over and you really don't feel like putting on no clothes, just throw on this cute two-piece legging set shirt and just chill. The quality on this is very soft. This is a size large, but we finna move on to the next dress because my knee's swelling up and we gotta get done with this video. Stop playing. Okay, y'all, so this is the final outfit. This is a size large. Again, I should have went up and got an extra large. So this give me Wonder Woman vibes. I don't know why, but this sleeve right here is very much a maxi dress with the one shoulder cut out. And then it got 2 slits on the side. I'm not gonna show too much because it is coming a little up. And I love how it got the little details right here, the little ruffles. This is how the back looks. Again, I should have gotten it large because it is squeezing me and rising up as I walk. It's very much soft to the touch. Very much comfortable, very much breathable, because I'm not wearing clothes that's not breathable. When I mean it, I mean getting into it. I don't need to be hot. I don't need to be sweaty. Okay, y'all. So unfortunately, the camera died, but that was it for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And before I end, I want to send a huge special shout out to Jurllyshe for sponsoring today's video. Make sure y'all check out the description box for discount codes, specials, anything, because y'all already know when I get stuff, y'all get stuff. Y'all already know how we do it. Thank you all for watching this video. I truly hope y'all enjoyed it. And is that all? That's it, y'all. Is that it? Yeah. Again, thank you to Jurllyshe for sponsoring the video. And y'all, we out of here. Wait, pause. Get that video to 10K views because that is my second clothing haul. Y'all been asking for clothing hauls and I've been giving y'all what y'all been asking for. So let's get this video to 10K views, 1,000 likes, and we out of here. Love y'all.